Get it right. What is going on? My shorts did not fit me. So. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Princess, CEO of PrincessShop.com, and today you guys are tuning into a Get Ready With Me for a solo date night. So before we get into, I had to look this way. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts. They will be listed below. And make sure you go ahead and head over to my website and shop for all of my fast fashion Instagram baddie clothing. I'm having a huge sale, $8 everything, so make sure you go check it out. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so it is now, what time is it? 8:14. So as you guys can see, look at my hair. This is a weird angle, but this is my hair. It's a lot of new growth and stuff like that. I am going to be moisturized. This is the cleanser. Oh my god. Alright, so I am going to be moisturizing my face with this rich moisturizer from Curology. Never used it, so let me open it. Move this back just a little bit more. I'm at a weird angle, but that's fine. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, I like that Curology moisturizer. That feels good. Okay, so just moisturize my face. Now, oh my god, I look like a little, I don't know what. Now, we about to do the Instagram edges. Let me get my small flat iron. Low key, well, honestly, I don't know how to do them. But, yeah. So I have my flat irons. This is my flat iron hot, but I don't really know. So let's see. Nails. Trying to make them look new by slicking them down in between, but I think I'm making them look older when I do that. Ooh, okay. Going up. So should I do a high, like, I think I'm gonna do a high ponytail, but just like take them out and wrapping this around. Was that cute? I guess so. Alright, that's cute. Alright, so let me try to start my TikTok really quick. Oh my god. I did so good and I left 2 out. What am I gonna do? Alright, you know what? That one's going to be wrapped around too. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to put my outfit on and then do my face. So let me film. Damn, what am I gonna do? Cause it's like a turtleneck. I think I can do my nails. Let's do my nails. So I'm doing a dark effect. So this is how you do the dark effect, y'all. Just this and then, oh wait. Just tap and then drag down. That's how you make it darker. Okay. So I'm supposed to be doing the whole dark thing. So let me just, and let me put it on HB. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And give you money that I hate you. City of you to make me feel just like this. them. I did them on TikTok. Yeah. So it is now 8:39. So you guys know that I don't know how to do my makeup, but TikTok don't know that. So we're just gonna be doing my eyebrows with some clear, just sticking those down. This is my lip combo. This is the Sephora Roll Matte Lipstick. It's this one. Yeah, focus. This I got from this girl on Instagram, Meet Trap Cosmetics. I love that. And this is the Sephora Contour Rouge Gel Lip, whatever. Is that. I have my blush brush out because I'm doing a little bit of brush. And my Better Than Sex mascara for my eyes. My brush. And then my Sephora blush. So let's do this stuff. So first I'm going to be doing... I feel like my lips are getting too white. It's not normally how they come out. I'm gonna have to do it over. Like normally how my lips come out. What's going on? Get it right. Get it right. What is going on? Alright, you guys, so we are done with my little makeup. I did a little bit of blush. You see my little thing. My nails is on. My lip combo that I messed up, that I had to do over. And now we're about to do my outfit, but I gotta do a TikTok. So let me put her right here, because I gotta do a TikTok for the outfit. And I don't want these sheets in the way, so just my sheets. I think I'm gonna have to call Ruth Chris, because, honey. Alright, so these are some heels. Y'all, I don't know why I'm just trying to get grown women so bad tonight, but man, I don't know how to walk in heels. Right. So this cost me $45.77. And let me do the little TikTok, throw it on the bed type thing. Oh, my cooler pop not showing. Gotta get dressed. Okay, y'all, so my shorts did not fit me, so I ended up switching to jeans. All right, so but it's these with got my little straps tied around my jeans. My feet's barking already, but as you can see, I'm in the car. I'm so happy. I got my slides on. I like took these off. Like, y'all, I'm paratoed, not needed, all of that all in one. So me and heels just don't get along. Like, I do it for the look, but it's just like, no. So I am running late, but I did call them. Like I said, I called them and told them I was gonna be like 10 minutes late. Just like, as long as you get here before 9:30, you good. I'm gonna get there at 9:29. I'm 9 minutes away, but if my reservation go away, then they could just sit me at the bar, because I don't really care. But I was thinking about taking some garage pictures when I get back. I never took garage pictures before, and I'm gonna be taking it by myself because of course I'm gonna take the picture for me. So I'm gonna be setting up my tripod and my phone. Oh my god, it's a green light, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Now I gotta wait.
Dude, right now I take a 94. Somebody
my toothpaste is falling. Alright, so I'm finally seated. Yeah, I missed my reservation, so I had to wait as if I was a walk-in, but that was okay. I'm excited to try this food, so. Sorry I was busy, but I missed y'all. You see me ballin' in my bitch ball. My niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Scared I send that body up my little car. All you bitches do Pilates when you rich ball. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip ball. The city see y'all niggas rip dog.
Claps. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. When you forget something, baby, you run out of time. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I am back in the house. My date was great. It was very cool, very chill. My little, you know, solo date or whatever. I did go to Cold Stone. As you can see, I got my little Cold Stone right here. So I did go to Cold Stone and get me like a little treat because I didn't want what Ruth Chris had. Like, they had cheesecake, didn't want that. They had creme brulee, didn't want that. They had coffee as a dessert, didn't want that. So I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna pull up on my peoples and get what I, you know, what I like. So I'm about to go wash my face. As you guys may know, well, like I said, I'm gonna do a dedicated Curology video, but I started my Curology this morning, so I am going to do my second wash, which is, you know, it's day and night, and I'll do a dedicated video for Curology, like I said. So again, yes, I started today. My personal nails are so cute. Oh, and also I'm gonna finish for tonight. I'm gonna finish editing this TikTok. So yeah, I'm gonna eat on that, wash my face. You guys can see that I did like this little eyeshadow, you know. So wash my face, and I'm gonna put on Johnson Family or the new Medea movie that came out. So I'm gonna be watching that. So without further ado, make sure you guys shop my website. There's a lot of stuff on sale for summer and spring over there. A lot of Instagram Betty clothing, fast fashion clothing, all that on sale. And without further ado, I will see you guys in another video. What I would do to